how can we measure the infrared radiation emitted by different surfaces? So this is something called a Leslie cube. And with a Leslie cube, you can put hot water into it, and you've got different surfaces on each side. So you've got, for example, black and shiny, black and matte, white and shiny, white and matte. Then you pour hot water into it and replace the lid. Then use the infrared detector to record the amount of radiation from each surface. And then that allows you to compare and see that the best emitter, the best absorber of heat energy and emitter of heat energy is black and matte. So for valid results to be taken, it needs to be repeated. And what do we do with repeated results? We remove anomalous data. This is so that you can identify anomalous or outlier results and calculate averages. There also needs to be control variables. For example, the infrared detector should be held at the same distance from each surface. Detector should be at the same distance from the surface each time. So white surfaces will emit less infrared. Black surfaces will emit more infrared because black surfaces are better at absorbing and emitting. So matte surfaces, they also emit more infrared. They are good emitters. And shiny surfaces will emit less because they are poor emitters. They're better at reflecting. Don't just wing it.